The next presentation is Sony PCL's virtual production. So please welcome Sota Koshino from Sony PCL.
Hello, everyone. Let me get out the car. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Sota Koshino. I'm a production director from Sony PCL Inc. Today, I would like to introduce our virtual production system by using Sony AK Crystal LED display and in-camera VFX. This virtual production with LED walls and in-camera VFX is filming method that enables creators to watch the final images on set by shooting real objects in front of 3D graphic background displayed on LED panels and interlocking with a camera movement. Let me explain how our system works. First of all, the camera. We use Sony's Cine Outer Camera Venice. The Moses sensor attached to the camera emits infrared light to this reflector. There are 400 of these attached to the ceiling inside of the studio. Moses captures the refraction of the light from those reflectors so that it can obtain the accurate camera location in real time, which is why the background image is synchronized to the camera movement. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. When the camera moving sideways, you start seeing the background hidden before, and let's say this is simply the window connects the real world and the 3D world. This 3D background changes according to the camera positions, so it looks like there is no boundary in the real world and virtual space. This CG background is operated by Unreal Engine 4, and this is the control console. This is a control window of UE4, and we can move the object like these trees or the position of the sun from this computer. So that's where magic happens and we control the planet. We use Sony's Crystal LED panels here in this studio. It is 8K size, and size is 9.6 meter wide and 5.4 meter high, which is equal as 30 feet wide and 17 feet tall. It also has high brightness and high contrast, which are great features for virtual production. The version of Unreal Engine is 4.26. Now, the background is switched to the forest. The common of use the virtual production in these days is filming driving scene. In the real world, when we shoot the driving scene in the outside, it's a lot of pre-production. But simply by using Crystal LED and a virtual production system, we display the moving background in here studio, so we can film everything, and you can see all the reflections on the car body. And also, one of the main features of Sony PCL virtual production is low latency. The gray window here is the area where camera is capturing. As you can see, the window is following where the camera is seeing without any delays. This kind of smooth synchronization between background image and camera movement enables creators to capture the realistic and natural footage. Due to time constraints, the lighting is very simple this time. When we are shooting, we will prepare the lighting according to the weather, time zone, and simply indoors or outdoors to make the image look more realistic. Also, adding a production design on set can create more depth in space. This kind of knowledge is extremely important while we involved in the production. This virtual production is collaborating with Sony Group companies, aiming for further evolution and development. We would like to continue this journey to produce various works with expression unique to this virtual production. So generally the filmmaking process was, the VFX post-production was kind of isolated before, but I believe the virtual production system is bring these VFX artists or CGI engineers bring to the set and collaborating together with the film crew. And I believe there's a certain chemical, and I see a lot of potential to it. So that is all from our demo. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you one day on set with us using virtual production and creating something new. Thank you and goodbye.